Today, I've got something super exciting for you, especially if you are celebrating Children's Day. I'm going to make a surprise cake that will add a whole new level of fun and excitement to the celebration. So let's dive in. Grab pinata mold and dark chocolate. First up, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate in the microwave. And now it is time to pour it into the pinata mold. Pinata mold actually you get it in two sizes and variety of shapes. These molds are easily available in any local shops or online as well. Coating the sides of the pinata shell is very crucial for this fun cake decoration. Now do you know why do people love pinata cakes? Well, it's all about the thrill, the surprise and of course the joy it brings to the kids. After you coat all the sides of the pinata very well, pop it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. If you see any extra chocolate, remove that which you can use it while doing the second chocolate coat. But the most important thing, ensure that the edges are covered very well and only after that put it into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. And then only do the second chocolate coat. By the way, if you are new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting recipes. My pinata mold is out of the refrigerator and now I am doing the second coat. Before pouring the entire melted chocolate into this mold, I'll first cover the edges very well. And only after that, when I'm satisfied with the edges, I'll pour all the chocolate into the entire pinata mold. Just like how we did it in the first step. Only after that, put it into the refrigerator for setting it very well. 15 minutes are more than enough. After it is set very well, carefully unmold the pinata shell. Be very gentle, else it might break it while demolding. After this comes the fun part. It's time to fill the chocolate shell with surprises. Chocolates, gifts, games, you name it. It's like a treasure chest for the little ones. I'm covering my chocolate cake with this chocolate pinata shell. Can you see how beautiful it looks? We are just getting started. Now get ready to create a magical teddy bear theme on your pinata cake. Let's move on to the fondant decorations. For this, roll out light brown fondant and cut out shapes as shown. For this, you will need small and large cookie cutters for these cutouts. By the way guys, I hope you are liking this kid-friendly cake design. If yes, then comment kids if you want more such kid-friendly recipes and decorations. Along with these cookie cutters and fondant, I will also be using some gel colors like white and black ones to add to the features of this teddy bear. You can also use nozzles, backside of the nozzles for getting these cutouts. And can you already see the face of the teddy bear forming on this particular mat? After all the cutouts are ready, it is time to stick these cute fondant cutouts onto our pinata shell. If you want to stick fondant to fondant, please use water. If you want to stick the fondant to the chocolate shell, we will be using melted chocolate as a glue. Working on fondant can be really tricky as it depends a lot on working place, type of fondant used and the storage conditions. So, if you would like to learn fondant cakes, join my online course and learn how you can make attractive cakes in no time. Comment fondant cakes below and I will share the details of my exclusive online fondant course with you. Now do not forget to use gel colors to add to the features of your teddy bear. I hope you are loving this simple and fun cake decoration. If you want more such decoration ideas, comment below and I will whip up some more decorations for lovely people like you. Now, like I said, please use gel colors to add to the features of your teddy bear. And there you go, your teddy bear pinata cake is ready for all the fun. Hand a little hammer to the kids and let them break into the chocolate shell. It's breakable and adds a whole lot of excitement. Thank you so much for watching guys and I will see you in the next video. Happy Children's Day!